Here is question number 15. The value of sine 37 degree cos 53 degree plus cos 37 degree sine 53 degree minus 4 cos square 37 degree minus 7 plus 4 cos square 53 degree divided by tan square 47 degree plus 4 minus cos square 43 degree is. Options are 1, 0, 2, minus 2. To solve this question, we have to divide this question in 3 parts for ease of calculation. आसानी से कैलकुलेशन करने के उद्देश्य से इस सवाल को हमें 3 भागों में बांट लेना चाहिए. I give this first part, top one, number 2, and the bottom one, third. So for the first part, we can see sine 37 degree cos 53 degree plus cos 37 degree sine 53 degree. So this is the formula based concept of sine A plus B. Sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. So based on that, angle A is 37 degree and angle B is 53 degree. So this can be sine 37 degree plus 53 degree. And this will be equalized to sine 90 degree, and value of sine 90 is equal to 1. So for the first part, we have find out the value 1. Now we will see the second part. I have taken here second part as 4 square 37 degree minus 7 plus 4 cos square 53 degree. Here I will take 4 as common. So this will be left as cos square 37 degree plus cos square 53 degree minus 7. I will take it out. Now we are knowing here that cos 37 degree can be written as cos 90 degree minus 53, and the value of cos 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा, जो भी एंगुलर वैल्यू है, दैट कम्स साइन थीटा, मीन्स इक्वल टू साइन 53 degree. So here 4 will be as it is out, and inside the bracket value will come sine square 53 degree, because cos 37 degree is equal to sine 53 degree. So here we can write 4 into sine square 53 degree plus cos square 53 degree as it is minus 7. Now we are knowing that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 4 into 1, 4. 4 minus 7 equal to minus 3. So the value for the second part comes minus 3. Now we will take third part, tan square 47 degree plus 4 minus cos square 43 degree. Here I have taken part 3, tan square 47 degree plus 4 minus cosec square 43 degree. So here we are knowing that we can write tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. You can write this sec square 47 degree minus 1 plus 4 minus, we can write this cosec 43 can be written as cosec 90 degree minus 47 degree. So that will come sec 47 degree. So accordingly cosec square 43 degree can be written as sec square 47 degree. Sec square 47 degree. Here we should know tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. So accordingly, in place of tan square theta we have written sec square theta minus 1. Here numeric value 4 is as it is, and this cosec 43 degree can be written as cosec 90 degree minus 47, and cosec 90 degree minus theta comes sec theta. So theta value is 47 degree, sec 47, because this lies in the first quadrant, and in the first quadrant all the values are of positive. Now we can see here sec square 47, this is of plus and this is of minus, so they are nullified by each other. Now what is left? Minus 1 plus 4 means 4 minus 1, so this will be left as equal to 3. Now we have find out all the values. Value of the part 3 is 3. Now we can put the values. Value of the first part is 1 minus value of the second part is minus 3 divided by value of the third part is 3. So this will be left as 1 minus into minus plus, so 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So the correct answer is 2, which is option number 3. That way we can solve this question. Here is question number 14. The value of 18 divided by inside the square bracket 26 minus inside the braces 25 minus inside the circular bracket 15 minus 5 divided by 2 square braces circular bracket closed of 12 plus 2 minus 2 divided by 4 into 16 is. Options are minus 25 by 2, minus 23 by 4, 9 by 4, 3 by 2. To solve this question, we should know the concept of BODMAS, because this question is totally based on BODMAS and they have utilized all the given things. So keep in mind, B for bracket, O for off means into multiply, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. At the same time, order of removal of bracket is, first we have to remove the circular bracket, then braces, then square bracket. हिंदी में कहें तो सबसे छोटा ब्रैकेट पहले हटाना है, फिर मझला कोष्ठक हटाना है, लास्ट में सबसे बड़ा ब्रैकेट हटाना है. सो वी विल डिवाइड दिस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो इन पार्ट्स. The red marked portion is the portion of brackets. So we will take out that portion separately. 26 minus 25 minus 15 minus 5 divided by 2 so here we can see 26 minus 25 minus 15 minus 5 10 of minus, because on opening the bracket this will be of minus, so 10 divided by 2, on dividing this will be multiplied as 1 by 2, so this will cut 10 5 times, and here it will be left 26 minus inside the braces 25 minus 5 20, and already minus sign is there, so here it will be left as minus 20. Now 26 minus 20 is equal to 6. So for the marked portion value comes 6. Now this portion will be 18 divided by 6 of 12, and this portion will be marked and solved as separately, because 2 minus 2 divided by 4 into 16. So here also BODMAS is applicable. Now 2 minus 2 divided by 4 means multiplied by 1 by 4 into 16. So this will be as 2 minus 2 into 1 by 4 into 16, and this 4 will be divided by 4 times. So 4 2s are 8. 2 minus 8 equal to minus 6. So the value for this portion comes minus 6. So this will be left as 18 divided by 6 of 12 minus 6. Now, based on the BODMAS concept, before division off will be solved. So 18 divided by 6 of 12 means 6 into 12, and 12 6 are 72 minus 6. So 18 into 1 by 72 minus 6. 18 ones are 18, 18 fours are 72. Now this is left as 1 by 4 minus 6 equal to 1 minus 24 by 4 equal to minus 23 by 4. This is the answer. So the correct answer comes minus 23 by 4, and this is given in the option minus 23 by 4. Second option is the correct one. That way we can solve this question. Here is question number 12. A trader sells an article at 16% below its cost price. Had he sold it for rupees 192.20 more, he would have gained 15%. The cost price of the article is, options are 620, 640, 680, 720. As we are knowing, CP, cost price, is always 100%. So the trader sells the article at 16% below its cost price, means selling price will be 100% minus 16% equal to 84%, correct? Had he sold it for rupees 192.20 more, he would have gained, means 84% plus 192.20 equal to gained 15%, means cost price plus profit. Cost price 100%, gain 15%. So this will be equal to 115%. Correct? Now we can see 5 minus 4, 1, 11 minus 8, 3. 31% is equal to 192.20. So accordingly 1% is equal to 6.20. Now what is required? 100% is required. 100% means Cp is required. So 6.20 into 100 equal to 620. This is the answer. This is the answer. So the given option is first one. This is the correct option. That way we can solve this question. Now the next question is question number 13. If x raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4 plus x square y square equal to 21 and x square plus y square minus xy equal to 7, then what is the value of x divided by y plus y divided by x? Options are 3 by 4, minus 3 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 5 by 4. To solve this question, we can see from this point, x upon y plus y upon x. X upon y plus y upon x is equal to what? This is asked. So this value can be written as x square plus y square upon xy, because LCM comes xy. So accordingly x multiplied by x and y multiplied by y. We have to find out value for this one. So here we can see x raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4 plus x square y square. We know x square plus y square whole square is equal to x raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4 plus 2x square y square, whereas given is plus x square y square, means 1x square y square is more. So we will reduce 1 x square y square from here. Also we can see here x square plus y square minus xy equal to 7. So x square plus y square will be equal to 7 plus xy. 7 plus xy. For this, from here, minus x square y square. On opening the bracket, this will be 7 sevens are 49 plus x square y square plus 14xy minus x square y square. This x square y square is of plus and this is of minus, so nullified. Now what is left? 49 plus 14xy. This whole value was equal to 21. So here we will write 21. Now 14xy is equal to 21 minus 49 equal to minus 28. So 14 twos are 28. Accordingly, xy is equal to minus 2. 7 plus xy comes from the x square plus y square, whereas xy is as it is. And now we have find out the value of xy minus 2. So 7 minus 2 divided by minus 2. This is left as 5y minus 2. So on multiplying by the minus on top and bottom side, so this will be equal to minus 5y 2, and this is the answer. We can check this given in the option or not. Minus 5/2 is given, so the option number 3 is correct. That way we can solve this question. Here is question number 11. Study the following table and answer the question. Number of students appeared A, passed B in an annual examination from 4 schools Q, R, S and T in 5 years 2014 to 2018. School QRST year 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18. Data is given in the table. The ratio of the total number of students appeared from school Q in 2017 and from school S in 2018 to the total number of students appeared from school R in 2018 and school T in 2014 is. So here ratio is asked. So based on this, first of all we will check school Q year 2017 appeared. A for appeared are 350. This is here 350. And school S is here in year 2018 is here, and appeared 400. This is here. So this is 750. Correct. Now school R, this is school R, passed in 2018, 405. And school T, this is school T in 2014, this is 2014, passed, this is here 225. So on addition this comes 630. So the ratio will be 750 ratio 630. Now 10 can be taken as common, so this will be 75 ratio 63. Now further common can be taken. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. So 25 ratio 21 is the answer. This is the correct option. This option is given. Here option is not mentioned, but in the answer key this option will be certainly there, so that can be checked, and that way we can solve this question.